We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. And it's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible to our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.